growing natural hair long and healthy, it will be fast for you to buy expensive products. Then my sister, you're wrong, because even if you buy the most expensive natural hair products and you don't have the right techniques, then you're just wasting your money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you budget-friendly natural hair products that you can use to grow out your natural hair long and healthy. Do you guys remember after the pandemic that everything, including natural hair products, the prices of things just went through the roof, and I couldn't keep up. I couldn't keep up with the hair products I used to use on my hair. I used to use brands like Shampoo, and if you're a natural girl, you already know that those products now are very expensive for people like us to be able to afford them. But don't you worry guys, because I'm going to be sharing with you 8 natural hair products that I have used and I keep going back to because they are budget friendly, they are affordable, and they get the job done. So keep watching to find out more about this. Yeah, so first off, we have the Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. This product, when I first tried it about 2 years ago, I was amazed with the kind of sleep I got for such an affordable product. I was really amazed. It has a lot of sleep, and it keeps my hair moisturized, and it smells amazing. This Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner is my favorite leave-in conditioner at the moment because for me it is good for my hair and I love my hair. It keeps my hair moisturized, and also it has a very creamy consistency that easily gets absorbed into my hair, and I like it. You can never go wrong. If you're looking for a budget-friendly leave-in conditioner, then I highly recommend this Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. The next product on our list is by Aunt Junkies, and it's the Coily Confession. I am a lazy natural. I don't leave my hair out like this. On a normal day, if you see me, my hair is not going to be out like this. It's always either in twist or braids because it's easier for me to manage like that when my hair is in braids or twists. So this helped me to keep my twists and braids neat for longer. So I can have my braids and twists for 2 weeks and it will still be looking presentable. So that's what I love about this thing. So, and I like the consistency because it's quite thick. You don't need a lot, you just need a little bit, and yeah, you're good to go. And another thing I like about it is it doesn't have any harsh chemical. It's very natural, and I highly recommend it if you want something for your twist out, your braid out. Right now I have a braid out. Another thing about this product is it's quite big. It's a big bottle, so it lasts me for a long time. The next product on our list is something that I've always had. I bought it, I think 2020 or 2019. That's how far back I've had this, but I didn't know how important it was for my moisture routine. But some time ago this year, I watched a video by a YouTuber called Coily Diaries, and she was talking about how these products help to keep her hair moisturized for days. And I was like, I have this, why haven't I been using it for my hair? So it is Glycerin. I know you guys were expecting to hear something different, but this is just Glycerin. It's just Glycerin. So yeah, it's Glycerin, and it's by African Naturalistas. So how I use it is I mix it with water. So I wouldn't advise for you to apply this directly because your hair is going to be a greasy mess. So mix it with water, so I just add it to my spray bottle. I spray. So instead of spraying plain water to my hair, I mix this with it and I spray it, and then I apply my leave-in conditioner, my coiling cream, which is a Coily, and yeah, it's quite good. If you are struggling with dry hair and your hair gets dry just after a few days, a few hours, then I highly recommend for you to add this to your natural hair routine. The next product is by Mega Growth again, and it's the deep conditioner. This is so thick. It's so thick to the point that you don't need a lot to for your hair. You just need a little bit. And I just like the consistency of their product. So even though it's thick, it's easily absorbs into my hair, just like the leave-in conditioner. My hair just loves it and it soaks into my hair, and yeah, I like this. It's been doing the job for me. You know how important deep conditioner is for natural hair. So if you're looking for an affordable deep conditioner to keep your hair strong and healthy, then I highly recommend the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner. Just like the leave-in conditioner, it has an amazing smell as well. It smells more like coconut. If you're looking for an affordable deep conditioner, I highly recommend this. And our next product is a conditioner by Tresemme. I like it because it's quite massive. It's quite big. I think it's 828 milliliters. So I've had this since 2023 and I'm still going strong with this. One thing I like about this product by Tresemme is that it helps with my detangling process when I'm washing my hair, because I finger detangle and this gives me sleep that I need. And because it's quite big, I can pack a lot and then put on my hair, because I want my hair to be soaked in a lot of conditioner so that my hands can easily glide through my strands. So I like it. So if you're looking for an affordable conditioner that will last you for a longer time, for months, then I recommend this. The next on our list is a shampoo, and this shampoo, I love this shampoo. Like I said earlier, I like finger detangling my hair during wash day, and I like to start my detangling process right from the shampooing stage. So this shampoo by VO5 is amazing. It has a lot of lather, it has a lot of sleep. When I apply it, it lathers a lot, and then my fingers can easily go through my hair. I just love it. And another thing I like about it is the smell. It smells so refreshing. It smells so refreshing, and yeah, and it's affordable. So affordable. So if you're looking to buy a shampoo that will clean your hair without stripping off making it dry, because this, you don't need a lot, you just need a little bit and it lathers. And because you don't need a lot, it lasts, I don't know how long, but I've had it for some time. I bought it earlier this year, so you can see I haven't used a lot of it. So I'm looking for an affordable shampoo. It has an amazing smell and an amazing sleep. I'll help you detangle your hair, then I highly recommend the VO5. The next one is a shampoo as well by Mega Growth. I like the shampoo as well. It's not as amazing as this one. It gets the job done. And it's quite affordable, just like or if you are looking for the one with the better, I would recommend this. But both are affordable, so you can try both to see which one you prefer. So that's about the shampoos on the list. It's sealant, and I use this after applying my Glycerin sprays and leave-in conditioner. I use this after applying my spray bottle, the leave-in conditioner, Coily cream. Then I add this Jamaican black castor oil. This I like. It doesn't have the strong smell. Addition of the mango and lime in this brand helps to kind of combat, the smell of black castor oil that some people don't like. I don't mind it. So yeah, that's a good option. If you don't want the smell of castor oil, then you can buy castor oil that has other ingredients, maybe like lime or whatever flavor you like. So, and this really helps to seal in the moisture, after all the goodness of the cream and the glycerin water moisturize. It locks in the moisture and it makes my hair stay refreshed for longer. So I highly recommend this. So just tiny bit, just need a little bit, and then you apply it and your hair will love it. So those are all the products I have for us today. If you are interested in any of these products, I'll try and get links for each of them into the description of this video. Yeah, so thank you so much. Let me know in the comments section below what type of video would you like to see from this channel. Really check here to watch more videos on this channel. Thank you and stay blessed. Bye guys.